Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss set 5 of reasoning section of CAT 2017 slot 2 paper. So the question was, Funky Pizzeria was required to supply pizzas to three different parties. The total number of pizzas it had to deliver was 800, 70% of which was to be delivered to party 3. So out of 800, we need to deliver 70% of the pizza. So 70% of 800 is basically 560 pizza to party 3. Fine. Further, the information is, and the rest are equally divided among party 1 and party 2. So party 1 and party, now we have remaining 240 pizzas. So party 1 and party 2 will divide those pizzas equally. So each will get 120. Fine. Further, pizzas could be of thin crust or deep dish variety and come in either normal cheese or extra cheese version. Hence, there are 4 types of pizzas: thin crust with normal cheese, thin crust with extra cheese, or deep dish with normal cheese, or deep dish with extra cheese. Fine. So these are the short forms of these 4 variations. Partial information about the proportion of T and NC, that is thin crust and normal cheese pizzas ordered by the parties, are given below. So party 1 has ordered 0.6 portion of thin crust pizza. So out of 1, if 0.6 was thin crust, so 0.4 must be deep dish then. Fine. So that is how we need to find out the information. So let's move to the question part. Let's move to first. Let us first try out to fill this table. So we know that in total 560 pizzas were delivered to party 3, 120 to party 1, and 120 to party 2. Now see, just let me first remove this extra information from here. Okay. So now the information was that out of this 120 pizza, thin crust was 0.6%, 0.6 in fraction. So 0.6 times of 120 is 72. So we have 72 thin crust pizza that were ordered by party 1. And there were total 120 pizzas ordered. So remaining 48 must be then deep dish pizza. Fine. So I hope it clear hoga aap log ko. If 0.6 is thin crust, so 0.4 must be deep dish. Similarly, 0.55 part out of 1 of 120 pizza is of thin crust ordered by party 2. So this comes out to be 66. So the remaining must be deep dish. So the number here must be 54 then. Fine. Normal cheese की बात करते हैं तो normal cheese के बारे में we don't have any information as of now. ठीक है? For party 2, the number of normal cheese pizza was 0.3 of 120, that is 36. So extra cheese must be remaining ones, and the remaining ones are nothing but 84. Fine. Further, 0.65 of 560, 0.65 of 560 is 360. This must be 364, I think. Fine. So 364 pizzas are of normal cheese type, and the remaining must be of extra cheese. So out of 560, if we subtract 364 from that, we'll get 196. So 196 pizzas are of extra cheese type. Now in total, we have 0.52 pizzas, 0.52 out of 1, out of total 800. So how many total normal cheese pizza do we have? 0.52 times 800. Now 0.52 times 800 will give you 416. Fine. So out of these 416, 364 were ordered by party 3, 36 were ordered by party 2. So the remaining 16 must have been ordered by party 1. And if party 1 ordered 16 normal cheese pizza out of the order of 120 total pizza, so the remaining 104 must be then extra cheese. Fine. Now similarly, here we have the value as 0.375. So 0.375 times of 800. That is, total 300 pizzas were there, which were of thin crust. Now, out of which 72 were ordered by party 1, 66 by party 2. So the remaining must be I think 162. It must have been ordered by party 3. Fine. And further, out of this 560 pizzas, if 162 pizzas were of thin crust, then the remaining 398 must be of deep dish type. So this is how we have completed this table. Now let us try to solve the questions that are given to us. Solve करने की कोशिश करते हैं एक बार. So the first question of this set is, how many thin crust pizzas were to be delivered to party 3. Party 3 को कितने thin crust pizza deliver करना है? तो thin crust pizza is delivered to party 3. हम यहाँ check करते हैं. Party 3 में thin crust pizza is 162. So the correct answer to this question is option B, that is 162. Moving to second question of the set. Okay, the question is how many normal cheese pizzas were required to be delivered to party 1? Normal cheese pizza to party 1. The number is 16. So the correct answer is option C, 16. Third question of this set. Okay, so the question is for party 2, if 50% of normal cheese pizzas were of thin crust variety, what was the difference between the number of TEC and DEC's pizza delivered to party 2? Now see. For party 2, if 50% of normal cheese pizza, so how many normal cheese pizza were ordered by party 2? 36. So out of this 32, 18 were of thin crust, so the remaining 18 must be of deep dish type. Fine. So out of this 18, out of this 66 thin crust pizza, if the 18 was of normal cheese, so the remaining 48 must be of extra cheese. Let me write it down here so that it won't create any confusion. So for party 2 we have thin crust pizza is 66 and we have deep dish pizza, the total number is 54, normal cheese is 36 and extra cheese is 84. Now we are given the information that if 50% of the normal cheese pizzas were of thin crust for party 2, so 18 were thin crust, so the remaining 48 must be then deep dish. Fine. Or 18 वन नॉर्मल चीज का वेरिएशन दे रखा है ये आपको यहाँ पे 50% ऑफ नॉर्मल चीज, तो नॉर्मल चीज का 50%, यहाँ पर 18 इज नॉर्मल चीज, रिमेनिंग 48 मस्ट बी एक्स्ट्रा चीज. फाइन. और जो रिमेनिंग 18 है वो यहाँ पर होंगे देन, यदि 50 आपके थिन क्रस्ट है तो रिमेनिंग 50% आपके थिन क्रस्ट है तो रिमेनिंग 15% मस्ट बी डीप डिश. ठीक है. So out of this 54, 18 are normal cheese. So the remaining 36 must be extra cheese. Now in the question it is asked, what is the difference between the number of TEC, thin crust extra cheese pizza, that is 48, and DEC, that is deep dish and extra cheese pizza, that is 36 in number. So the difference is of 12. Fine. So the correct answer to this question is option B, 12. So now moving to last question of this set. Let me remove this first. We have already used this information. Okay. So the last question of this set is, suppose that TNC pizza costs as much as DNC pizza. So here we are talking about the cost. So cost of TNC, that is thin crust with normal cheese, is equal to that of DNC, that is deep dish with normal cheese. But it must be 3/5 of the price. Well, 3/5 of the price. यहाँ पे this value is missing. So 3/5 of the price of DEC pizza. So this value is equal to 3/5 of the price of one DEC pizza. Further, a DEC pizza costs 50 more than TEC pizza, and TEC pizza ka price is 500. So the price of DEC must be then 50 rupees more than this. It must be 550. And if DEC is 550, then 3/5 of 550 is 330. So TNC must be of 330 rupees. Also, DNC must be of the same price, that is 330 rupees. Now we have find out the rate of all the types of pizza. Now the question is, if 25% of the normal cheese pizza delivered to party 1 were of deep dish. Now see, again, ये first question जैसा ही है. Party 1 में we have thin crust, we have deep dish, we have normal cheese, and we have extra cheese. So the values are 72, 48, 16 and 104. Fine. Now if 25% of normal cheese pizza, 25% मतलब 25% of this value 16, that is equal to 4. So the 4 pizzas are of deep dish variety. So 4 we have deep dish variety. This is normal cheese type. So extra cheese कितने होंगे इसमें? Remaining 44 must be extra cheese. And similarly, what we can say is, यदि 4 यहाँ पर है तो remaining 12 must be thin crust type. जो normal cheese में they are total of 16 pizzas, out of which 4 are of deep dish. So the remaining 12 must be of thin crust. So here we have 12. So the remaining 60 pizza of thin crust must be with extra cheese topping. So now we need to find the total bill for party 1. So 12 TNC. thin crust with normal cheese. So 12 TNC will make it 12 into 330 because 1 TNC costs 330 rupees. Then 60 TEC. Why TEC? Thin crust with extra cheese. So 60 and the price of TEC is 500 rupees. Further 40, this is 4 DNC. DNC is deep dish with normal cheese. So that is 4 and the price of DNC is 330 rupees. Further, the price of DEC is 550 and we have 44 such type of pizza. Fine. So this will give us the final answer. So this is, I think, 3960 plus this is 30,000. This is 330 into 4 must give us 1320 plus 44 into 550 will give us 24200. So in total, the cost will be 59480. This is the final answer. So the correct answer